Everybody, my cousins are coming.
Cameron, are you in here?
I'm in here, Uncle Bigfoot. Uncle Bigfoot, he has Harris beat. And he's huge. He's bigger than the World Trade Centers before he got attacked by terrorists. Stupid terrorists attacking our things? I don't think so. I mean, they're coming into our house. Our house. They're not allowed in our house. This is our house. AKA America! USA! 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 If you're American, it's always good to be patriotic. I mean, there are soldiers right now in Iraq who are dying. And they are defending our country. I'm so proud of them. I would not even be able to do that. I mean, as much as I would love to die while in a war, that'd be very scary. But I'll be known for, at least.
Cameron, are you talking about America?
Well, yes, I am, Uncle Bigfoot. America's wonderful. I mean, remember when you were fighting in the war? Uncle Bigfoot got his leg amputated, so he's only Uncle One Foot.
Are you making fun of me getting my leg amputated? I got it amputated during the war, son.
I know that. And it looks very, very painful. Just look at that. I mean, there's only one leg and nothing right there. But I'm not making fun of you. I mean, you're a really big, strong guy. I don't want to make fun of you, really. Sorry. Heads up, guys. Don't make fun of his leg. He takes it very, very seriously. If someone calls him One Leg or Peg Leg or Uncle One Foot, yeah, he'll be very, very mad. Do not do that. Just a warning.
You better not be making fun of my leg.
For the last time, Uncle Bigfoot, I'm not making fun of your leg, okay? Okay. So when is Aunt Bertha coming?
Your Aunt Bertha is, she's still at work, so she'll, be here pretty soon. Okay?
Okay. I really miss her. I haven't seen her in forever. So how's her back doing?
She's doing pretty good. Well, you better get off of that camera because we're gonna be grilling burgers, like right now.
Burgers! 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 I want me a burger right now, Uncle Bigfoot! Well, I'm gonna go eat me some burgers because I love those.